Hi guys, so for today's video I wanted to try some of these TikTok items that I got. It's my first time ever shopping on TikTok, so I didn't really, to be honest, I didn't really want to do like I wasn't thinking of making a video when I first bought the items. Now that I have them, we might as well try them. Ay, está chiquita. So the first one that you guys saw, that you guys are gonna see, is this doggy belt that I got for Benny. So we are gonna be testing this little seatbelt that I got for Benny, because last time, you guys, he gave us such a scare. Oh my god, he just gave us a scare right now by leaving too. But we're gonna test this out and see if it works. So come with me to my car. Welcome. Look, he's ready. Ah! Oh hell yeah. Let's see. This is a little like stretchy, but so if you don't want him in the front, you can definitely just put him in the back, and then I guess you can make this smaller. Go. Ah! Okay, just hold it like that.
Oi, Benny.
Here. Tie it.
You wanna go for a walk? Got him. Well.
There, grab him and put him in the back. Why is there dog food in here? Is it from last time?
Damn well why there's dog food in
Is it from last time?
Yes, girl.
Why didn't you guys take it out? No wonder why it smells like dog in here.
Hold on. There you go, buddies. Locked in.
We should have locked him in the middle.
You locked in?
Oh, he's trying to run away. He said, let me run away.
He said, wait a minute. He said, wait a goddamn. These bitches got me locked up.
And the whole reason we got this like belt for him is because last time me and my sister, we took him to the store and we didn't put a harness or a leash on him because we were just gonna leave him in the car. What did we go get, Yessie?
Flour? I think it's flour.
We literally just went to the store to like pick up flour because we ran out of flour, so we went to Smart and Final. There's literally nobody at home, it's just me and her, so we'll just take him. And it was just gonna be an in and out type of situation, and it ended up not being that. I almost had like a heart attack, and then my sister was freaking out. We did this last time where like somebody distracts him on the other door and then another person gets out or whatever, so that's what we were doing. But he's getting smarter. So my sister was trying to distract him on like the passenger seat, and when I got out from my seat, all I see from like the little corner, I just see his little butt run out, like just jump out, and I'm like, oh my god. This is exactly where we parked out last time. When I opened the door, right through here, he just jumped off and then just ran all that. To be honest, it really freaked me out. I just remember, I'm like, please don't jump in the road, because if he would have jumped in the road, I would have too. And then we would have both gotten hit. And a lot of people are just kind of like, you know, zooming. That was nerve-wracking. He stopped and he peed in a little corner, and I'm trying not to run after him because if you run after a dog, they're gonna run more. So I just remember yelling his name, and then he just like stopped and peed, and then he ran again to like another little corner, and that's where he peed again, and I just fucking grabbed him. Like, I just went in there and grabbed him. So that's what promoted me to even shop on TikTok Shop, because I had seen those little belts and stuff, and I'm like, we need to get it. So we are getting ready to open the box for Betty. Look at this little boy. So it's a vacuum hair cutter, so you don't have all that mess. And this is actually the exact reason why I decided to buy it in the first place. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is to hold the attachments. Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. Okay, so we went outside and we set it up. Obviously it's not connected because we want to show you guys how easy or hard it is. Might do this one on Benny But since it is about to be summer, we might do this one just because it does look like he's kind of like suffering right now.
There. I think you have to push it down.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. And then I think you just attach an attachment here.
Yeah, should we? I think we're gonna have to brush his hair first. Okay, so Jesse, let's connect it.
It's connected. That's the thing. I don't know if that thing works.
Huh? Okay, so it's both of our first times. This is our first time being outside, apparently. Ow. So it wasn't even connected.
Okay, now it should work.
Take 3. Let's go.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah. Okay. It's actually not as loud. So this is level 1, and that's how loud it sounds. So we're gonna pretend to vacuum this. What are these, squishies? Whatever.
Squishmallows.
Okay, he's not scared. Oh, such a good boy. Oh. It's 20. It's 2024 and we're still making Tagala coffee.
He's brushed and ready?
Yeah. He's probably waiting for trying to get some treats.
Oh my goodness, that's a whole lot of hair.
Still like hair.
I know. That thing's gonna be full.
Look at how much hair is in here. He actually did pretty good. Obviously we still need the other side, but we're gonna go ahead and give him a break. Gives us time to pretty much empty this out. I still have to do all of this. We didn't finish it because he got a little snappy, so we're just giving him a break for now. And then I just didn't want to do it because as you guys can tell, it's kind of cloudy because he got his haircut apparently. We're gonna show you guys this other thing that I got, which is this lamp, but we're gonna try it once it gets a little bit darker, which I feel like maybe by the time we come back from Sport and Final, it'll be dark, and we'll show you guys this camera. And then I got high. Yes, you should. I could have cheated. Don't put the cookies on the bottom. And then I got high. Okay. Oh yeah, so you can change it. More orangey.
Both.
Ooh, that one looks nice.
It's literally the one you had it on that you were hating on.
Oh. Benny, hold on. Ooh, it's raining. Why are you messing me up? That's pretty good, Yessie.
Is that supposed to be natural lighting?
Whoa, the sunburn lighting. The next thing that I got are these stickers. They're for your nails and they're little bows. If you watch like some of my nail videos, you'll see that I like to do my nails at home. I am not good at design, so I like to buy stickers. So this one came in a pack of 6 and I'll show you guys all the shades. So there we go, we got the black ones and the white ones. To be honest, I find them both very cute, but I do feel like the white ones look a little bit better just because I have little white flowers as well. So that was it for the stickers. I'm excited to try these in a different nail look that I'll probably find on Pinterest. So I'm excited for that. I like the white ones, like I said, with this specific nail look. I think they look so cute. Obviously my nails, they're, like you can see the paint chipping off from there. I had some little flowers, but we'll deal with that another time, just not right now for this video. So this one was my bad. I thought that I was ordering a jewelry box, not a packet of more earrings. So initially I did not want more earrings. I wanted a jewelry box for my already existing earrings, but I ended up accidentally buying more because I did not read the description. So this was like pretty much $3 for everything, so that's pretty good, I guess. Again, I just did not want more earrings. I literally wanted a jewelry box for my existing ones. But I'll show you guys pretty much all of the earrings. They're pretty cute. I feel like they're like a lot of hoop ones. Some of them are a little bit too big, like these. But this one's kind of cool. Like, they look pretty cool. I already have some of these that kind of look like this, so eh. And I'm not a big, very hoopy. Like, these are kind of too big. These are a little bit better though. So, and then these, again, they're a little too big, but maybe I'll end up using these. And then some more of these. So yeah, I did not want these, but you know, that's a lesson learned. You gotta read everything before you press buy. Also, like I said, they were like $3, so I guess that's kind of like what made me want to go back and check, because I'm like, wait, how much did I pay for a jewelry box? I'm like, $3? Oh, it's probably not even gonna be nice. And then I had already paid for it, and it was already being shipped to my house, and that's when I decided to like pretty much look and see that it was not at all a jewelry box. And this other thing that I got, honestly, was just another charger for my laptop, because my charger is completely broken, but this is the one that I got. It fits my camera. It looks like it's charging. So I'm excited because I am ready to throw my old one away. This is my old one. Like, look at how nasty this cord looks. See? And then it wasn't sticking on my the hole that goes in the thing that goes in there. So I put a little sticker on there so I can kind of hold it up. But it's not this thing's fault. It's mostly my outlet. And then this is the most important part. Can you guys see it? And it is just broken. You know how like they just get ugly and stuff? So I had to add these like little stickers that I found, and I just like rolled it, because this part, which would be this one right here, it just broke. Like, you could see the cords in there. So I ended up getting that. So I also ended up getting 100-piece kit of each of these pretty much to-go cups. It's really not anything like, oh my god. It was like 17 bucks for 100 cups, 100 lids, 100 of these. Oh my goodness, who is fighting outside? Whoa. I think some dog escaped. Oh, so 100 of these straws, and then 100 of these sleeves right here. And these are perfect for like in the morning. And you don't want to take your own mug, but you know, that's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. You know, even if